Your AI assistant left, right, next to your screen. No app switching, no typing, just talk. Clicky. What's today's date?
Today is Tuesday, May 5th, 2026.
Clicky. What are the top AI trending tools right now?
I can't see specific trending tools directly from the screenshot. Let's search online to find out the current top AI tools. Would you like me to do that?
Clicky. Clicky. Yes, do it.
It seems you're on YouTube. To find the top AI tools, you might want to search for Top AI Tools 2026 in the YouTube search bar for some insightful videos. Would you like me to help with that?
Clicky. Can you tell me what is on my screen right now?
You're viewing a BBC News article discussing comments made by Donald Trump. It includes a photo of him at a podium with flags in the background. There are notes on the left about Iranian and US military actions in the Strait of Hormuz.
Like that, code. Clicky. Can you explain me this code?
File. It is using Python's data classes module to simplify class creation. Here's what each part does. Imports, list from typing, used for type hinting. MSS and MSS.tools, likely used for screen capture, though not shown directly in this snippet. Image from PIL, likely used for image processing or manipulation. Data class, screenshot, index int, presumably an identifier for different screenshots. Width, height, integers indicating the downscaled dimensions of the image. Base64 JPEG star, a string representation of the image in Base64 encoded JPEG format. Physical width,
Clicky. Which software is this?
this is Visual Studio Code, a popular code editor used for software development.
So